In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a journal entry in Freshbooks. Managing your finances through Freshbooks can sometimes require correcting or removing a journal entry, and I'm here to guide you through that process step by step. Let's dive right in. First things first, open up Freshbooks and navigate to the accounting section. Here, we'll begin our journey to locate and remove that pesky journal entry. In the accounting section, you'll need to select the bank account that the entry is associated with. Once selected, you'll click on the link that takes you to transactions waiting to be reconciled. This is where the magic begins. In the list of unreconciled bank transactions, you'll spot the entry you wish to delete. To select it, simply check the box next to this entry. FreshBooks makes it easy to work with multiple entries at once with their Bulk Actions feature. So next, head over to the Bulk Actions button, give it a click, and from the drop-down menu, you'll select Delete. A confirmation dialog will appear to ensure you're absolutely sure about this deletion choice. To finalize, simply click Confirm. Deleted entries don't just vanish though. You can review all deleted transactions by finding the deleted link sitting patiently at the bottom of the list. It's a neat way to double-check your work. Now, if you find yourself dealing with a manual entry from a bank reconciliation, this process should work smoothly as these types of entries can be deleted directly, with the corresponding FreshBooks entry being removed as well. However, if the entry you wish to delete wasn't created during a bank reconciliation, you'll need to follow a slightly different approach. In such scenarios, you might need to resort to editing the entry and wiping out the amounts, or even creating a reversing entry to effectively balance it out to zero. Sometimes you might encounter specific entries like those created through FreshBooks Payroll, which may present a bit more of a challenge when it comes to deletion. If you run into any trouble, or if the entry proves unyielding, reaching out to FreshBooks support can be a good option. They're there to assist you and can offer guidance tailored to special types of entries. And there you have it, a straightforward method to deleting those journal entries in FreshBooks. By carefully following these steps, you'll keep your accounts accurate and up to date, ensuring a smooth financial journey on FreshBooks. Thanks for watching and happy accounting.